Hello everyone, my name is Yihua, and I'm a student at Athena Center in class ACBN. My lecturer is Mr. Volotang, and today I will present my lab work for um, basic network and system administration commands in Windows. So in this practice, I will perform three main tasks. Execute basic Windows commands and analyze the results. Next, to install Microsoft Office on the virtual machine and log into a mail account using Microsoft Outlook. So these are my practice steps. First, I will study Internet theory on Athena's MS system. Next, to review and instructional materials to follow practice. Um, then I will perform the practice according to Athena procedure. procedure. Instead for and finally I will record and edit the video or process, then upload the video to my YouTube channel and the Athena Facebook group to report progress and receive evaluation and feedback. So in the part one is executing basic Windows commands. In this section, I'll use command prompt to execute important system and network administration commands. These commands help me check the system configuration, monitor network connections, and manage user sessions. So now we use command prompt run as administrator. First, I will use system info. So this command displays detailed system information such as Windows version, system manufacturer, BIOS version, and total memory. It helps identify the computer's specification and hardware details, which is useful for troubleshooting or repairing system reports. So now to talk about network configurations command of use. Firstly is ipconfig. ipconfig displays the basic IP address, subnet marks, and default gateway of the system. And if I use ipconfig on ipconfig on shows detailed network adapter information including MAC address and DNS servers. So when it comes to ipconfig, um, flush DNS. ipconfig first DNS clears the DNS resolver patch to fix domain name restoration problems. And if I use ipconfig renew, it will request a new IP address from the DHCP server when the network connection is lost or reconfigured. So next, to check the internet connectivity by sending ICMP packets to Google's DNS server, I'll use ping I and if the response is successful, it confirms that the network connection is working properly. And now we'll use the tracer to yahoo.com. Tracer yahoo.com. So tracer yahoo.com traces the route taken by package to reach the Yahoo server, showing each host's IP address and response time. This command helps locate where delays or connection losses occur in the network path. So if we want to stop, we click Control C, and now to the now about user process management. You net user will display on user accounts on the system, and it also can be used to create, delete, or modify users in Windows. And if I use the task list, the task list shows on currently running processes along with their process IDs and memory users. This helps monitor system performance and detect unresponsive applications. So now, um, if we are talking about network monitoring commands, um, let's start. Okay, will list on active network connections and listening ports. Is useful for detecting open ports and checking for suspicious network activity. In ARP, will display the ARP address revolution protocol table, which maps IP addresses to MAC address. It helps administrators identify devices connected to the same local network. So now, to install Microsoft Office inside my VMware Windows virtual machines, I will use the link that we provided from Athena Center. So just for practice, I will use the Office 2016 for the lowest space in my storage. Now we'll download, and I will take some minutes for downloading, and click setup. Yes, and there we will accept with this agreement, and we have to custom to you know not available for some application that we not need for this purpose. So This part I will just use Microsoft Word and Outlook. So if I on other except Word and Outlook. Okay, to minimize the space that I have to pay for this. So now we will wait a minute for installation progress. So now click on close, and we can see here the Outlook apps and what was installed in my virtual machines. So now about part 3 is logging into Outlook. So I will have a little bit time to set up the Gmail for Outlook. So now in my Gmail, I will choose setting and choose path and IMAP. I will choose enable path for on message. We'll keep the copy of the Gmail in the send receive Gmail and save the setting. Here we open in new windows to see more information about this progress. Now go to control menu and click mail to add the mail account here. It and type my name in the email address. Type password. Click choose menu setup on additional server type. Click next and choose path or IMAP. Connect to path or IMAP email account. So here we choose a account type IMAP and IMAP type imap.gmail.com, smtv.gmail.com, username here, type password, click more setting, algorithm, and enable this option. Then go advanced into the income server. IMAP. Here use SSL and TLS. Click OK. And in a Google account, go to myaccount.google.com. As in security, we will turn off this feature to make sure that our configuration is successfully. And now we click next. And wait for the progress. So to summarize, this in this lab, I successfully completed the following tasks. Practice essential Windows and network commands, installed Microsoft Office on the virtual environment, configured Outlook for email access. Through this exercise, I improved my understanding of network diagnostics, system management, and application deployment. I recorded the entire process, and I will submit the video report to the Athena Facebook group for instructor evaluation. Thank you for your attention.